I'm at a shopping mall now. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Finally, today is the day. We have another 3 chances to reveal what we have gotten from the Harry hunt we have done last week. So let's get started. Let's go back to the lowest backpack in the game. I think today I'm going to choose this lucky one. Let's see what we will get. Wow, interesting. It's a yellow ribbon hair clip. I'm not sure whether it fit the black Demure heels that we are going to try out today, but why not? Let's see what will it looks like in real life. It seems legit. And cute. It kind of looks like Hello Kitty ribbons, but in yellow color. Let's try on. As usual, I think I'm going to clip it on here. It looks very simple and classy, but I'm not sure what will it looks like after we add on another 2 hair accessories on it. Let's go on to the next mystery gift now. Which one should we pick next? I think let's go on to this one. Wow, surprisingly, it's only 2 months away from Christmas. But now the game has came out with Christmas hair accessories. Let's see how it will look like in real life. Ta-da! It looks absolutely good on Shin-chan. But let us try to see what it will look like when we attach these on these black heels. Let's try it out. It seems quite cute, quite legit, better than I thought. Now let's get back to the game and see what we will get for the 3rd item, which is the last item today. Let's see. I think I will pick this one this time. Alright, it's a ribbon, but let's make the magic happen and see what it will look like. Thank you, Shin-chan. This is a white ribbon with red flower on it, kind of vintage vibes. Let us try to attach it on the shoes and see how it will look like. I think we're going to put this ribbon on here, because ta-da! Wow, it actually looks quite amazing. Let's check how it will look like from the side. Wow, it looks very gorgeous. No cap. Really gorgeous. Very demure, very low-key. Even with the red rose heel over here. And for this one, the red roses heel is more appealing from the side, as this is more simple if comparing with the others one. I think I'll give 9.5 out of 10 for the shoes decor today. What do you guys think? Next week I'll be doing another Harry hunt like what I've done last week in another shopping mall maybe, or maybe outdoor. I'm not sure what's the next location that the game will release. If you're vibing with this look, smash the subscribe button and keep the notification on for our next episode. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Bye!